What is that? Anyway, this is just a little video to update from when we were having the floods around Carlsbad last June, I think it was. And I came down here to 6 Mile, what they call 6 Mile Dam. I want to show you the changes that they've done over here, which is really cool. And I wanted to show you an update of what the river looks like when we're not having a flood. Okay, and look at the entrance that they did here. Look at this. This was all nothing but a big old rock, and you had to climb down, and boom, 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 walking down, and it was really kind of treacherous to walk in here. And then they put this. Look at this entrance. Isn't this nice? Beautiful little railings. Concrete entryway now. Of course, you have the idiots that have to deface everything. Gang dipshits. Dumbasses. Gotta deface other people's property. Then you got the dumbasses that bring their motorcycles out here and screw it up for everybody. Ruin a nice thing. Trying to show off. But anyway, we're not here to talk about the ding-dongs. But anyway, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Let's zoom out. There we go. Look at this. Anyway, they put some fishing pole holders here. And I don't know when they started this, but they started putting little locks. People that's in love with people, and they put little locks around. There's one right there. Then there's one right there. And then there's that one. Before it was like right at my head. Come on. Okay. Nope. Other way around, boys. How'd that happen? Who's that? Turn right now. I don't know how that happened. Oh, come on. There we go. Anyway, here's the update of the river, what it looks like on a normal day. And it's not rushing. Remember how before it was just like overflowing right here. This is what it looked like normally. Remember I told you it was way over there? This is what it normally looks like. A little tiny stream. And you can go camping along there. We used to drive around over there. So it's still pretty much water where we used to drive. But there's little trails up there on the hill you can go on. But I don't have my Jeep now. I bought a Hyundai Santa Fe. But this is what it looks like now. I just wanted to come and show you guys an update of what it looks like when it's not flooding. It's just a cool place to just come and hang out and, you know, gather your thoughts and just relax on a nice, sunny, beautiful Sunday stroll. Like I said, you can have little barbecues down there and fishing and stuff. I don't know what kind of fish are in here, but it didn't look like they would taste too good. But it wasn't that big, great, huge overflow where it was overflowing over this. But this is the Pecos River. It's nice. They did a really, really, really good job on this platform here. That's very impressive. That was nice. Before it was kind of dangerous, but it's beautiful. I love it. Nice and peaceful and quiet. Yep. Nice little breeze. About 43 degrees. No snow in this area. Thank goodness. Hey, look, there's an antelope over there. See if I can see him. He's minding his own business. Okay. Like Chevy Chase. Yep. Beautiful. Move some trailers in over there, it looks like. They got some sitting areas. They put in a little road over here, and they got some picnic tables and little places to just sit and relax. Maybe we'll just go check it out. See, there's my new car. I traded my Jeep Wrangler in for this. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So much more comfortable. Yep. Man, it's peaceful around here. One pump jack by himself way over there. He's not even hooked up. The head is all down. Yep, just a beautiful, peaceful Sunday day. I think it's the 22nd, 23rd, 24th maybe today. Carlsbad is over there. Yeah, they call this 6 Mile Dam. Yeah, you can have little campfires around here. Just start your little fire and relax and enjoy the quietness. No lights out here at nighttime. It's beautiful out here. Like, you know, when they have meteor showers, you can come out here and just sit, and it's just dark as can be out here. You can watch the sky. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Yep. Alright, I just showing you guys the new entrance little area right here in the river. I hope you guys have a nice day, and thanks for watching.